Alright you guys, so we're gonna check out how to Datamosh videos here in After Effects without any plugins. And before we do that, I also want to say that this trick doesn't work all the time and it's going to use a lot of CPU power and a lot of RAM. And if you don't have a lot of that, it might fry your computer. Just kidding. But seriously. Okay, so I'm gonna do this in After Effects 2025 and I'm gonna make a new composition. And here I'm gonna go with the preset 1080 30 frames per second. Duration is gonna be 10 seconds. Click OK. And here I'm going to drag and drop the video that I want to use. So I'm going to right click on the video. Let's go to transform and select fit to comp. Now this is a 4K in a 1080p artboard. So what I'm going to do is click somewhere here to deselect. And let's go up to the rectangle, double click. So it's going to fill up the page. I'm going to drag and drop the shape layer under the video. Let's select both of these, right click, select pre-comp, rename it as subject and click OK. So now for this time, make sure to select the subject layer and I'm going to go and double click here on the rectangle again. So it is going to create a rectangle inside of the layer with the subject. Make sure to select the mask one and I'm going to zoom out and here we got like 4 anchor points in the corners. So I'm going to go to one of them. I'm going to double click on it. So it's going to highlight it like this. I'm going to press and hold Control and drag this anchor point in. Now here you're going to need to experiment like how much or how less you're going to leave. Now, if you leave less area like this, it is going to send you an error. So I recommend you to bring it in a little bit more, for example, 4 pixels or 4 squares like these. And I'm going to go and I'm going to make it start here. So I'm going to bring the work area here in. Probably going to go somewhere around at the 7th second only. So for example, if your video has a longer length, then you're going to need like more RAM and more processing power to generate this effect. So for example, in this situation, let's reduce it here. I'm going to right click on it, select trim comp to work area. So this is going to be like a 7-second video. And now, at least we're going to go here to the invert, make sure to check it. So it's going to invert it like this. So next, what we're going to need to do is go to the content aware fill. If you don't have this, you can go here to the window and select content aware fill. Make sure the alpha extension is on 0, fill method is on surface, and click on the hamburger, select content aware fill settings, and make sure to check these two and uncheck the first, and click OK. And at least all you need to do is click on generate fill layer. Now this is going to ask where to save it. So basically you're going to need like a new AE file and click on save. Now this is going to take a while. Now it is analyzing and it's going to render it. So sit back, relax and come back a little bit later. Also after it analyzed, you can see now it has started to render. So this is going to take a while as well. Okay, so finally it's done and let's see what we got. And as you can see, it is going to destroy the video, something like this. And of course you can see here the rectangle because that area remained untouched. But you also can fix that if you will. You can go to new, select adjustment layers. This is going to be the scale. And let's go to effects and presets, search for transform. Drag and drop the transform on the scale layer. And here you can go to the scale and this is going to scale up all the layers at once. So now it is going to look something like this. And pretty much that's how you make it. Thanks for watching.